Oh my god, they look like a cult.
They look like ghosts. I swear. What the hell?
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby, tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Wagwan Island Tribe.
Hello people.
Blessings. Welcome back to another video. Yeah guys, so right now we're in Lismore. Yeah, and we're about to go check out a music store. You know, not gonna buy anything, just, you know.
Maybe, depends.
Yeah, true. You know, so I also want to thank the people that have donated, that have bought, you know, stuff from the Amazon wish list, you know. So those people have said that they wanted to remain anonymous, basically. So they don't want any credit or anything. So I give thanks for those people that have bought those stuff.
100.
You know, so thank you all for that.
Thank you.
You see it. So yeah, I think I have just a few more stuff to get, not many. You see it. So we're just gonna look, browse, or might buy something, we don't know yet.
But thank you guys.
Yeah, thank you very much. You know, yeah, my dream come true, you see it.
Yes.
So I appreciate that very much. Give thanks. So yeah, here in Lismore right now. Oh, my mask. I'm put on my mask before you all start complaining, you know. Well, it's safety anyway, so I can't complain. You see
This
it.
mask is gone. It's got the wire sticking out. I just felt it. Are you taping in 2K?
Yeah, 2K.
Wow.
Going high quality. Alright.
Guys, so this is what it is now. You have to show proof of vaccination.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So that simply means I'm fully vaccinated, which I didn't spoke about, but yeah, that's what's happening, you know. Alright.
We haven't turned into zombies yet, guys. Alright,
Hey
guys,
guys.
we're in here.
Music studio.
Beautiful stuff.
I know my brother Timmy would be excited, you know, to be in here. That's for sure. Yeah, beautiful. I like the color. Okay.
If you don't mind, we're just doing a little vlog.
A YouTube video.
Put you in there. We just wanted to, for our YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Go for it.
I'm just having a little browse at the moment.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Alright.
Have fun. If there's anything you want, just call us.
Okay.
Thank you.
These are the Marshall. What's this? These seem like, what you call it?
They're very good quality.
Yeah. Timmy would explain this best to me.
Oh,
He knows a lot about when it comes to instrument.
remember you've got this? The
Oh,
Hand Recorder.
Yeah, I have that. Yeah, good for recording sounds.
Me and
And,
my mum bought it for your birthday
yeah,
last year. Do you remember?
yeah. And that's how you can get it set up like that. You see?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, nice acoustic. Nice drums. It's a smooth and detailed vocal tone.
Can you put my phone in the bag?
I have all the guitar belts. Baby, we have like the the small guitars. Like the kids.
Ukuleles? Or just there?
Nice bubble one there.
Oh.
Look at these little ones. Nice, huh?
Beautiful.
$249. These are the prices. $139. Yeah, $79.
Cute.
Cheap.
Man, we could play music.
What do you think,
Are you
Bubble?
gonna play music, Bubble?
Yeah, you already have drum at home. Yeah,
It's
full
electronic.
drum setup. Yeah,
Look at it. You can turn it on.
sick. Noise.
It's a shame you don't play instruments as well.
I tell you, I should have studied more, you know. So one point my brother was teaching me Timmy, you know, but yeah, that's the thing. Timmy can play the guitar and he can play the keyboard, so he's good at that. They have the pop filter. 32.
You'll need some. You need this.
Yeah.
You need a.
It's $2.99.
Yeah. That one, and then the mic. Either don't touch anything, mister. I'm gonna keep my eye on you.
Oh, this is the mic I was talking about.
Yeah.
The N1.
N1A, yeah. How much is that? How much is your NT1A Rode mic there? That's a.
He's a bit of a standard, this guy.
Ah, 319. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. 300-ish. And that comes with the mic, the shock mount cable, and the dust cover. Okay.
I'm trying to start up my own home studio. Yeah, recording. Like, do you have any recommendation on like a mic? Not too pricey, but good recommendation on mic.
So you're looking at like your studio condenser.
Yeah.
And,
All that sort of stuff.
Yeah.
I mean, yes, Rode definitely got the name.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, that's the first of them. So yeah, that's.
So you would
Depends
say
on
this
your
one?
budget. Yeah, I mean they go up and up.
Yeah, true.
But yeah, they're very popular because it's good price.
Yeah,
and
It's actually what I was looking at, you know, but I just needed to get your input on that.
Do you want to go check out the pianos?
Yeah.
Thanks for that.
Yeah. You know, there's this thing that Timmy wanted. Like, I can't remember the name of it. Yeah. So these are the mic stand. Okay. The price is on these. $129. This one. Yeah. This is like a bigger one. See this one? $149. Piano, keyboard. Who taught you how to play?
I don't really know.
I used to could play a bit, but those days are long gone. Island boy.
Ready, guys? Look at this. Check this out. La la la. No, guys.
What are the prices? Oh, 5. Oh, this one is different. What's the price for this one? This one is $3.99 for this one.
So you need a...
Oh, this is expensive. This is $3,499.
Wow.
Alright guys, so we're gonna check out another store. The guy said he can give me the Rode mic for $300. So we're gonna check out another store and see if we can get it for cheaper. And if not, we'll come back at this one and get it. Get the mic, the Rode N1. I think it's N1.
So I hope no one's bought it, because when you do an Amazon wish list, you don't really know who's buying things unless they actually email us and let us know.
Exactly, that's the
downfall about having a wish list.
Exactly. Yeah, so we're gonna check out that now. Look at that music store and see. Yeah guys, so stay tuned.
Yeah, man. Come. Papa Gucci bus, Papa Gucci bus. Say hi to everyone. Here, hi. Island. Oh, guys, he's such a cutie. I love him. The other one's from Oasis, you see, shirt. Oasis.
Yeah. That you.
Come on.
Oh, mate.
Come on, let's go. Run. Let's go, boy. That's it, boy.
Island, look.
That's it.
Island. Come on, no. Bobo. Island boy. Island, look at the camera.
Come on. Running.
The rainbow.
The rainbow region, Lismore.
Oh. Okay. Let's go, Bobo.
Let's go.
Love story on it, don't
I
like walking, I
know.
swear. Island boy. Is it only Bob Marley as like reggae artists you have here?
Oh, no, I've got lots of different. Why have I got two of these here? Oh, one of them's not the coloured one.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is local people.
Okay.
An Elephant Man.
Elephant Man.
Oh, wow.
There's some Bob Marley. There's
Holy
also
cow.
Yeah.
compilations from Kingston.
Oh, lovely. You know, my mum, I don't know if my mum still has
Scientists.
like the old records
Yeah.
that you could play.
Yeah.
If she does, you can ask her for it because she doesn't even use it. She's probably got
wow.
it in storage somewhere.
Roy.
Yeah.
There's also the sort of
Vibes
dance hall
Cartel.
stuff.
Oh, Vibes Cartel. Oh, gosh.
Yes, records.
Yeah, and some of the rhythm albums.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's amazing to see.
Ah.
Yeah, so yeah.
Yeah.
No, I love a bit of reggae and dub and dancehall.
Yes.
I came over from England.
Okay.
Oh, lovely.
And,
yeah, that's
you
big
can't
over
live in
there.
London without getting
Yeah.
it's like heartbeat. It just throbs
Yeah.
from big speakers, and
I
you just
bet.
True.
Yeah.
you end up loving it even if you didn't to begin with. You can't help it. It just gets
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. For sure. A bit like Latin music in a sense. It
Yeah.
gets you kind of going, doesn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's funny actually. My ex-business partner years ago, he used to do a lot of Latin dancing, and he'd put Latin music on, and my hips would be going, and he'd go, "Oh, so you do like it?" And I go, "No, I don't. My body is betraying me. I actually don't like Latin music that much, but my hips
don't.
do."
All right, I'm going to take this lovely, beautiful mask. It just caught my attention. The beautiful red flower.
Yeah.
We just stop on our way to come in this record shop. See the legend there, you know? Yeah. I'm surprised I see Vibes Cartel Records, Elephant Man and all them. Yeah, so that's amazing to see all the way out here in Australia. Yeah, man. Love the heart, real colorful. Love the colors, guys. Gnarly.
I bought myself a new mask.
Comment down below if you like this mask. I love it. Yeah. So Lismore, the rainbow region. Everywhere you can see different colors. It's very painted like that. Very colorful, full of heart. A quiet place. I love it. It's gnarly. Yeah, so we haven't reached the music store yet as well, so yeah, I mean we have the option of checking it out online, which is very similar price, but you know we also want to see what's in the stores, so that's what we're doing, right baby?
Yes.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Guys, this is a little bit of history on Lismore. 1945. The flood waters that we've had around Lismore.
So easy floods here.
Yeah, here floods, and I'm talking it actually reached.
Oh,
Yeah, so yeah, 19. Yeah, so we've had lots of floods in
that's the
Lismore.
whole town.
And then, but not where I live. Casino's different. Casino's different. We don't flood where I live.
People are on the rooftop here, 1974.
Yep. And 1954. So yeah, there's been a few floods around. Yeah. I think the highest yet was the one we just recently had.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, come on. Yeah. So guys, that's a bit of history there on the floods around here. Lismore. Island. Cheeky bobble. Look at the sky, guys. Looks like it's gonna rain.
Alrighty, mate.
Alright, this way we go. Do you want to go check out the cameras and that?
Yeah. Oh, it's down here?
It's down here, but we'll drive.
Okay.
We'll go to the music store first. If we don't like what you see, then buy the other one, this one here. Come back and we'll go to the camera store, but we'll buy him a drink as well.
Them a try judge my life, so I'm to for them. Yeah, see everybody around me, straight. Tell them. My brother, them are the realest. When you talk about art, we have the cleanest. We no accept outsiders, we deceiving. You now go see me a street, I beg your feelings. And all who a fight, we still achieving. Tim Jim, the thing breach through fire ceiling. No for discriminate about skin color. And I bleach out them skin for look like Nicola. Jah go strike them with lightning and a big shower. How you fi fight against a brother just fi get power. I take side with politician and can't get a free tuition. You know see say them a big bower. Every night so me give them every time. Them say Africa you kind. And one time me say no, them turn round say me hype. And that is not right. No, no. Learn fi satisfy all when you know enough. You think a little people out there so I try fi make it work. Nah no car, me nah no land, me nah no bike, me nah no bus. But fi make it in a life you want fi walk. It now work, it now work. If you now work, then it can't work.
Look at those bikes, guys. Sick. Just until. This is the studio. Alright guys, so this is the music store that we're going into right now. Yeah. So I believe they sell used and new studio equipments. Well, music equipment in general. Yeah, so we're gonna check it out. This studio, they don't really deal with digital as much. They mainly have guitars and
Equipment.
Yeah, so they mainly deal with the old school kind of stuff, as they say, you know.
All he does is second hand.
Okay.
New second hand or second hand, but
yeah.
at the same time, I mean, the instrument part of things would be good.
Yeah.
You know, you could be good for anything really. You could start up a music store in Port Antonio.
Yeah.
Buy all the second hand stuff and just sell it.
So in basically a fruit, well, it's called Farmer Charlie's. I just like where the fruits just look decorative, like all along go, as you can see. Yeah. Hey Bobo, you want the camera? Huh? Yeah. Yeah. As you can see, guys, pure fruits. They have some mangoes here.
$2 each.
I'm good for now.
They look good.
Yeah, nice fruit basket kind of.
I'll take one. Bobo, fruit.
So you have fruits on this side and veggies on the other side. You have some Irish and all these things. Some pumpkin, sweet potato.
Mom.
Hey, mom is coming. Hey guys, these people have a sign about act now on climate change. See them crossing the road?
Government court facilities, our demise, true story.
Yeah, so they are dressed up like, look over there, they almost thought it was Halloween. Look over there.
Duty of care.
Oh, look at them.
Oh my god, they look like a cult.
They look like ghosts. I swear. Look at all that makeup.
Watch this. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Say hi. Yes, let us know what's up.
Climate emergency now.
Yep.
Interesting.
No parking, yo?
Place busy.
Well, we're gonna go back around and wait for parking. See that Rasta there?
Oh yeah.
Rasta man.
That look creepy as hell. So much makeup. A mummy. Those person looks exactly like a mummy.
Then.
We're gonna give you a close up right now of what's going on here. I don't know. But that to me looks creepy. Why are they having so much? They look like ghosts to me. Yeah. What's that? Rebel for life? What the hell? Duty of care. What the hell is this?
Just read the
Yeah.
climate. Buildings will be like, what happened?
Yeah, that's crazy.
Reclaim our future. If the government was smarter, would be in school. Smile for YouTube.
Let's see.
Of course, I like to read. Thank you.
The to protect us from climate stuff for okay, we'll all rotate here. Okay.
Okay. We'll look into it for sure.
Interesting, guys.
And give you a little bit more like detail of what exactly it is that they're promoting or protesting or
I like the idea, but the thing that those first three women was wearing
thing was going on in Jamaica.
yeah, it just creeped me out because with all that makeup on the face and all that, and they're like stretching out their hands like that.
Yeah.
That to me look creepy. I don't know about anybody else, but
That the duppy ghost coming to get you.
trust me, so I don't know. But yeah, tell me what you guys think about that.
Yeah.
Alright. So we're gonna go check out a camera store right now.
Yeah.
So today I guess we're just browsing around, you know?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna check out a camera store and look at all the camera gears and stuff.
Yeah.
And you guys can get to see as well, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's do that.
In the shop at the camera store.
Yeah.
So Babe is going to show you guys some products and that you guys may be interested in buying later on down the track. Or
I know lots of you guys are YouTubers as well that watch us. So Highland boy, what's wrong? Yeah, so they have everything here from the drone. This is the Mavic 2, babe. This is the big one. We have the mini. This is the mini we have. Yeah. So this one is. Where's the price on this? I don't even see the price. But yeah, this is for a couple thousand, that's for sure.
yeah. And they've got the bag.
Yeah,
which is $99 something dollars.
Yeah, you have all your camera, even the drone bags, the bags for your camera gears and stuff. And you also have the GoPro 9 and 10 here. We have the 8, which is this stuff. The 8 is what we're filming on right now.
Yeah, guys, so I would like to purchase the 10, but before I do that, I would like to maybe even try the Osmo.
Yeah, the DJI Osmo Pocket.
Because it's really good. I think it's really good for filming, like it's an easy way of filming.
It's an action camera. You know, good for filming the streets and yeah.
But I think
it's not
that,
easily noticeable as well.
Yeah, but I've also like there's a Sony one that I like as well. That we've been filming. That we've been seeing other YouTubers use as well.
Yeah.
It's like a little pocket one.
Yeah, I can't remember the name.
I don't know.
Yeah, you have all the mics, the Rode mics and stuff like that. These are the prices.
Camera too. They can clean the lens.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, so these are the prices. Good for doing. You can put on your camera and even your podcast or your sit-down video. You have better quality. Which we definitely gonna invest in mics and all that, you know. Everything takes, you know, one step at a time, you know. So we're not rushing with us looking at stuff, so we have an idea on what we want to gain in the future.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Yeah, and these are nice Canon EOS 200D Mark II. These lenses, some big camera lens. Oh, it's Nikon Z5 body, Nikon Z50. These are good for shooting music videos as well. The stabilizer, don't remember the exact correct name. They have the magnifying glass scope. Wow.
Well, is it likely to be months or probably a few weeks?
Lumix. This is a good camera as well, guys. The Lumix.
Well, depending on how long the wait is and what the price is. Oh yeah.
Pentax. I've never seen this one before.
Yeah.
DJI.
It's Osmo battery, but what I'm looking for is our batteries for our drone. No, they don't have.
No, yeah.
So guys, probably not a good idea to do a video with him in store.
I have all the tripods over here as well. Island boy, what's wrong? Island is a bit fussy, so we might cut this short. You have all the Gorilla pods. Okay. Yeah, it's a good camera. So tribe, Island been a bit fussy, so we kind of cut it short there, you know. But yeah, they have some real nice camera and stuff. You see it, so it's just nice to look at these things, you know, especially when you're a YouTuber and you do these things. It's nice to just, you know, just wow your eyes to see it. So yeah, what you think, babe?
Yeah,
nice
definitely.
seeing them.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, that's what's up. Have some nice graffiti on the wall here as well. Left babe in the car, so I'm gonna buy the mic, the Rode mic. You see it, so because they had a music store that I checked, they don't have it, so gonna buy it here. Yeah. I decided I'm gonna take this one. Yep. Yeah. So this is the mic, guys. Yeah. Okay. Hey guys, I'm excited. Can't wait to have my own little studio set up. That's gonna be some good times, trust me. Which one of these would you recommend to go with this? As I said, I'm trying to build up my home studio.
Yeah.
And I'm going with something simple, but not too pricey, but something with good quality.
Yeah, so you only need the one at a time input, don't you? You don't need multiple ins.
So multiple input would mean like you can add like more like, you mean instruments and stuff like that, or it's
you've got I mean you've got multiple tracks on your software.
Okay.
It's just how many simultaneous things are going in at the same time.
Oh, okay.
So if you're just doing some home recording just by yourself, one instrument at a time and then voice, whatever, that's all you need.
Okay.
Okay. But yeah, drummers, for instance, might mic up a number of drums while they're playing. You know what I mean? And they'd need 4 or 5 different tracks or ins. So each snare, kick drum, all that type of stuff would go into separate tracks on the workstation.
Yeah. This one would be good then.
Solo, yeah.
I'm not taking it now, but just have an idea.
Yeah, so you've got a mic in or a line. You can go both together. So it's a 2 in 2 out, so that will go into 2 separate tracks.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you're just doing one thing at a time.
Yeah, true.
Then
that will work.
It's more than enough.
Yeah, that will work.
It's surprising, all them criticizing, and not even a bit of them mining. Good things send me and agree the youth from long time, car probably to them would be poison. Them don't like we say youths with ambition. Them want to see you a thief, a police well with ammunitions. If them have the law in a them man, them would have ban everyone on me song.